Hello, and welcome to Clever Chess Trading. In this second episode, I am about to show you the easiest trading strategy for scalping the markets that you can find out there. I will provide only proven and tested results with real data. You will know and learn how it works in a matter of seconds. I will be testing this strategy with thousands of trades, choosing which are the best time frames to use it, and finally, I will be showing you the best results for the NASDAQ, SP 500, the Euro, British Pound, and the Bitcoin. So make sure to stick around to level up your trading. So let's begin. As I already told you in the first episode, the following is the easiest way to determine the bias for the next candle is simply by checking how the previous candle closed. Close above previous candle high for entering longs and close below previous candle low for entering shorts. If you want to study deeper, make sure to check the video where I explain this in detail is very important for you to understand this new algo. For now, let's continue. Now I will tell you how this strategy works. Is just an evolution of the previous algorithm in the algo developed in the first video we were entering long in the close above the previous high and taking profit in the next candle when it closed above the entry point. Pretty simple, but you might be wondering why we don't just let the trade run until we get a down candle below the previous low. Well, that is that this new algo does. Is that simple? In other words, for the buy trade, we are going to expect a closure above the previous candle high. This can be seen as a green candle. We are going to take profit once we got a close below previous candle low. It can be profit or stop. The stop level will be below the previous swing low or candle low that we enter. Okay, now let's how it will look like for the short entries. We just wait for price to close below previous candle low and we enter in the close of the candle. We are going to take profit once we got a close above previous candle high. It can be profit or stop. The stop level will be above the previous swing high or candle high that we enter. See what I am saying in the chart? Check every trade you see here to truly interiorize this simple strategy is just one pattern you have to learn and just invert it for the sells. This robot can be configured as buy only or sell only trades, but can also be configured as both longs and shorts. That means that when we can get something like the following chart. As you can see, every buy entry is a sell exit and every sell entry is a buy exit. This algo is always in a trade, so it can be profitable in certain environments of trading, but when we got a clear trend, like in the NASDAQ, clearly bullish, it will not be profitable for the sells, obviously. So you have be conscious and understand in which market profile we are currently trading. So now, let's move on. The last part of the video, I already tested all the time frames and will only show you the best to save time in this video. The best times for scalping strategy is the ones you see in the following image. Take screenshot if you need to. Now let's go to the trading view charts to show you the actual statistics. Okay, the dynamics for this is going to be like this. I will show you each symbol starting with the NASDAQ. Pointing out the most important things. You can focus on the one you trade or you want to trade to see the results of the desired time frame. This is the monthly time frame we're just seeing the long trades. Because the NASDAQ have clearly a bullish trend scenario is not worth to see. The sell trades only in this. For the monthly, we got 68.18% profitable is actually pretty good. More than 50% is excellent. This number means that of the total 22 trades, we got around 15 trades in profit. The profit factor is how much money the algo made versus the losers. The algo makes 3.9 times the money that is lost. This number should be positive more than 1, means that on the long term, the algo makes money. We want to see a nice mountain climbing, not a roller coaster here. The more steady and increasing the mountain, the better. Now, let's see the weekly time frame. The two numbers are good, 56.88% and 1.605, it does make money. 6 days better performance, 62.67% and 2.27 profit factor is pretty good. Looks the last trade he took. The 3 days, also a nice performance. Something like this mountain up is what we want to see in our trading accounts. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Now see, the 12 hours seems pretty good, but it have a drawdown but then recovers. Drawdowns are normal in real trading accounts. The importance is that we can recover after them and continue to trust the high probability. 8 hours is nice if you have to work. You can use this time frame. One of this trades a week and you are done. 6 hours, algo great performance. 90 minutes, not so good, is better to use this in the higher time frames. 55 minutes, not like it. 45 minutes is great, even the percent profitable is not as high. It does make money in the long term. 30 minutes is algo good for intraday trades. Now, let's check the monthly time frame again, but this time we add the short trades. We'll be showing this fast, so if you need to analyze some particular portion, just pause the video. The performance is not bad, but not as good as the only buy trades. Six days, not good, so we know we just used the long trades. So now I will put some music. I will be speeding this up, you know what to focus on and how should be or not be in order to trade it. Feel free to pause or re-watch anytime. I will be pointing specific things only. Is interesting to see that in the 30 minutes this actually performed great for buys and sells. The S&P 500 have a nice mountain up in this particular 20 minutes time frame, very interesting to trade it intraday. The EURUSD, one of the most traded forex pairs, we see a nice performance in the monthly. I chose FXCM broker because it have the most data. Over here showing only the buy trades. For the euro and the British pound, I will be show buys only and sell only trades because it's not always a clear trend. But I hope you see how simple and profitable this strategy is, especially in the higher time frames. Something we see a lower time frame that performs very good, I will be pointing it up. 5-minute time frame in the British pound performs pretty good, is buying and selling all the time. And it does make money. The green mountain seems to be stable over time for this 10-10 trades. Interest to take into account. Finally, we got the Bitcoin. The performance of this cryptocurrency is insane. As you can see, 19.101 profit factor. This is the buying and selling trades in the monthly, close to 60% profitable. Look at this, the 3-minute time frame in the Bitcoin is making money constantly with this strategy. Pretty interesting, 1470 trades, and we make profit more than half of the time. This is absolutely incredible. 71.58 profit factor with 70% profitable. This is the best of the best results I have ever seen. Is just the Bitcoin only with buy trades. Imagine knowing this simple strategy around 2012, this would have been the results. Is just such an amazing performance. Even when it drops, it doesn't make much of a drawdown. Weekly time frame also seems pretty good. Look at this last buy trade. Daily time frame, not bad. See how the profits decreases when we lower the time frame. Very interesting to notice. The lower time frames serves as liquidity for the higher ones. Lastly, we got this 3-minute time frame, also great results for the ones that don't want to wait. Well, this is the end of this video. Hope you find this insightful. Tell in the comments which one you like the most. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.